I'll show you how you can get 20 SEU, Scrum Education Unit, for free. And this is a requirement if you're a certified Scrum Master. You need to keep that in good standing. Every 2 years, you will have to go through renewal where you need to clock this 20 SEU and then you pay the prescribed fee as you can see on the screen. Once you do that, your certified Scrum Master is in good standing for next 2 years. So I'll take you to the computer screen and show you rest of the things there. Right now you see I have just done with 2.25 SEU. 11.3% is what has been completed. And for renewal, I need to complete this 20 SEU. This is the second time I'm renewing. Last time when I renewed, I did it for free. And you can see this my SEU log, which is right below. And here you see right now what shows as available are the ones which I can go and claim, and unavailable ones are the one which last time when I renewed, I used it before the renewal. So by watching this video, you will have the resource right at your hand where you can just go and find all the SEUs, how it is. For example, this webinar, right now I have, after watching, gained one more SEU. And once you watch the webinar completely, this is how it will show up. Anything in green means that you have achieved that. And the dashboard also shows now the updated one. This is the link to the resource. The link will be there in the description. When you come to this link, you will come to this page where all the videos are here. It shows how much SEO each video has. So you can go and start watching these videos to get the 20 SEU which is needed. I'll show you once I complete my SEUs and how I'm renewing. This way you know with confidence that this works. As I'm making progress, I'm showing to you, you can see now 65% complete, and of 20 SEU, I've so far completed 13, and I'm taking it at a decent pace. Every day I'm investing about 2 hours to watch these videos, and you can pace it out with the time what is available with you. Just make sure you have adequate time. In my case, I have more than 60 days. So I was pacing it out 2 videos every day, and within 10 to 12 days, even with delays, I will be able to complete my 20 SEU. You can see the progress I'm making. And one more thing, here you have option to filter by topic. You see here, and you can go through any of the topic if you want. And then you also have types here, whether it is article collection, videos, webinar, online course. So I'm choosing videos, webinar and online course to complete my SEUs. You have other options. When you are coming to this page, just make sure to see how much SEU each video has. Now, if I'm short of time, I usually go for shorter videos or articles. Articles I have in fact not attempted. Most of them what I see are videos or online webinar to make it easy, and it's more interactive for me. And right now you can see here, these are all articles. So once I make a selection here to videos, these are all the videos you can see here. And this allows me to pace with the time what I have. You get to see the SEUs, and also this is my favorite part. You see resource library home, Agile and Scrum webinar replays. Once we come down here, these are all grouped in SEUs. So there are multiple videos. These are collections. So if you're just watching these videos, you get 6.5 SEUs. If you're watching this, you get 12.25. And accordingly, you can see here 33, 1.5. And as you come down, you have adequate SEU, which you can plan over multiple renewals. So you require 20 SEUs for each renewal within 2 years period. You see here, this will keep updating, and you will have SEU for you to go and watch the webinar video and earn those. what I have learned, instead of doing this at last, now I will pace it out in such a manner that once in a month, I just come and watch this and add this to my credential. 75% complete, 90% complete, and 100% complete. With this 100% completion, you see here 20 by 20 SEUs. Now the first criteria has been met, that is to have this SEU. And with this, the next step is to go and pay for renewal. You see here it shows you are ready to renew. You have logged the SEUs needed to renew your certification. Final step, pay the renewal fee. Once you click on the dashboard, you come to this renew now. Here, you see this automatically shows up, and then you click on renew now, enter the payment detail, and then click on submit payment. Now it's processing, and you can see here this is done, payment is done, and the certificate also has been renewed. You can see this here in the courses. Once the amount is paid, now it shows up active through 2027. So another 2 years, I need not worry. This is done and dusted. When I go to the dashboard, again, it shows active till 2027. So this is how you can complete your SEU without paying single penny out of your pocket. I hope you found this video useful. Please do share in relevant groups so that others know that it is easily possible to get this 20 SEU, which is a requirement. Thanks for watching.